Hey, how you doing? Mike, Innovative Door. We're going to show you 8x7 terratone Hormann with top Madison windows or Stockbridge, whatever you want to call them. This is the raised panel 3200. We have capped the opening here in the siding so that it's maintenance free. Got the nice bends going on there that we do for people all the time. Install a new keypad. This door is 3200. It has an 8.9 R value. I knew I could talk. It does come with a 3.5-inch bottom rubber. Always our premium 11 ball bearing nylon wheel and 11 gauge hardware. Okay. Windows are insulated. Hooked it up with a lift master opener and the springs, dual spring setup on all doors, even 8-footers. For all your garage door needs, Innovative Door, 630-271-9343. Visit us online at www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook, we'll like you. 650 Ogden is the headquarters. And as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our video.